very good morning to all the dear students of class 5th. Let's start today's mathematics class with the topic of HCF, means highest common factor, and it is also known as greatest common factor. Okay, because we have to find the highest or greatest common factors of the given numbers. So in previous class we have studied the method of finding the HCF of two numbers, three numbers by collecting the common numbers and multiply them. That was a method of finding HCF. But today we are going to find the HCF but with the help of a new method, that is long division method. Today we are going to use long division method for finding HCF, that is highest common factor. So we have to find the highest common factor between highest common factor of 198 and 360. Suppose we have these two numbers. This is not given in your book, but this is just for the purpose of practicing. So in long division method we have to make it clear that the number which is the greatest among the two, we have to keep that number under division. So here I will keep 360. So 198. Now we have to check in the table of 198 where 360 comes or less than 360 comes. So in the table of 198 we have 198 at 1. So we will make the difference. 10 minus 8 is 2. Here it has taken the carry, so 15 minus 9 is 6 and 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, now it needs to do a division like this again. It will go into this line. Okay, so in the table of 162 we have to check where 190 comes or something less than this. So we will keep this 198 here. So 162 ones are 162, and then we will subtract it. Now I will subtract 8 minus 2 is 6, 9 minus 6 is 3, and inside this we have to keep this remainder 162. Every time if we have any remainder left here, so the last remainder we will keep as dividend. Okay, so on dividing it by 36, so in the table of 36 at 4 we have 36 fours are 6 fours are 24, 3 fours are 12 plus 2 14. So 36 fours are 144. Now 12 minus 4 is 8, and this has given carry to this, so here left 5 minus 4 is 1. Now what we have to do, here we have 18 as remainder. Now the last remainder we have to keep here as dividend, so I will keep here 36. So 18 twos are 36, 0. Okay, so the last divisor and the remainder we get is 18. So here we have 18 as HCF, means the highest common factor of 198 and 360 is 18. Okay, the number on which we dividing our dividend we get remainder 0, so that number our highest common factor. Okay, now we will practice one more question. For example, we have to find the HCF of 30 and 42. So for doing this, as I told you that the smaller one we have to keep as divisor, and the greater one means 42 is here greater, so I will keep here as dividend. Okay, so in the table of 30, so 30 ones are 30, 2 minus 0 is 2, and 4 minus 3 is 1. Now I will take this 30 here because our remainder is something, it is not 0, so I will take the last divisor here. So 12 to the 24 this time. 10 minus 4 is 6, 2 minus 2 is 0. Now again the last remainder we will keep as dividend. So 6 to the 12. Here we get the remainder 0. So the last number as divisor we have is the highest common factor of 30 and 42. So the highest common factor of 30 and 42 is 6. Okay, we will do a check by using the method of prime factorization whether our answer is right or wrong. So I will solve the same question with the help of the common factors method. So here I have 30, another side I have 42. So I will check whether our answer is right or wrong. So here we have to take the least prime number. So as we can see that here is a 0, and any number like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, at the end of any number we can easily divide it by 2. So 2 15s are 30. Now this is odd number, we cannot divide it by 2, we will take 3. So 3 5s are 15. Now 5 is already a prime number, so it can be divisible by 5 only. So 5 1s are 5. I will write the factors of 30 like 2 into 3 into 5. Now it's the turn of 42. It contains 2 at the end. So 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Again it is odd number, so it cannot be divisible by 2. So what we will do, we can divide it by 3. So 3 7s are 21. As we know that 7 is already a prime number, so it can be divisible by 1 and itself. So the factors I will write for 42 is 2 into 3 into 7. Now we have to select the common numbers in both. Okay, so here what I have common is 2 and 3. Here is no 5 and here is no 7. So 2 multiplied 3 is 6. So here also highest common factor is 6. Means if we apply any of the method, whether long division method or this method of finding the HCF, so in both case we get the same answer. So I am giving you some questions as homework. Just note down and do the practice of these questions in your rough copy. Do not do the questions directly into the fair copy without my permission. So this is how to apply division method for finding the highest common factors. Tomorrow is our Zoom class and we will practice the questions from our book.